Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divine Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to work on this background and make it perfect. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial coming up. So let's just get to it. So at first you can see, let me zoom this out, so you can see everywhere is just looking rough, but with this tutorial I'm just going to arrange everything to make it look really nice. So let's just get to it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to duplicate this background layer. So after duplicating this background layer, I'll actually group it. So I'll just bring this down here. So after grouping it, I'll now select this subject and make a layer mask on top of this group, just so anything that I'm doing inside this group, it won't affect the skin or the subject that I've selected. So I already have a quick selection of the subject, so I'm just going to load the selection. Then you can see it's actually here. So I'll now click on this mask. I'll now mask the subject out of the background now. So let me just check if it has been applied on. So it's still on the skin. So I'm now going to invert this, changing it to the background, so anything I work on will just affect only the background, not the skin. So at first I will add solid color to this place. So I'm just going to take this my tool right here, and I will now select the part which I want to add the solid color to. So I think this is fine. So I'll now go to the color picker tool. So I'm now going to come right here and pick the blank. So I'll now add solid color to it. So you can see I'll click OK. Then once I click OK, I'll now come and reduce the opacity of the solid color. So you can see this, I've now reduced it to, let me see, 70. So 70 is perfect. So I'll now come back to this, my selection. Then I'll now invert it to select the down part. So I'll now pick a brush, a mixer brush. Then I'll come to this layer, this background layer. You can't use it on the solid color, so I'll come back to my background layer. Then I'll just brush it a bit. So I'll not make it too much, because I still need this reflection down here. So I'm just going to brush a bit. So I think this is okay, and I'll just take this off. You can see where I've added the solid color, there are some marks that are showing here. So I'll now come back here and have the solid color, then use the mixer brush to paint on it a bit. So you can see the mixer brush is now working. So I'll now paint on this part which is looking a bit rumpled or somehow. So after doing that, I'll now come back to my solid color. Then the mixer brush is loading. So I'll now come back and select the solid color. You can see the place is not showing again. So this ground is still looking, the color is not matching with the solid color. So before doing that, I'll now come back here. I want to blend this line here. I'll now select the mask, then feather it. Sorry guys. So I'll feather it a bit. Then after doing that, I'll now come back here. I'll pick this selection, then invert it. So once I'm done inverting, I'll now click on the selective color, then go to where I have my black. Then I'll now add the black a little bit. So you can see it's now blending. So after working on the background, because I wanted it to be deep black, just black. So after doing that, I want to add a window reflection to it. So I'll now come right here. This tutorial is also a multi-purpose tutorial, because this window reflection is always in PNG format, but mine is not in PNG, it's just a normal picture. So in also this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn how you can make use of this window reflection even if it's a JPEG format. So I'll now drag it to my image down here. So once I drag it here, you can see it's showing. So I'll now invert it. I'll now size it to how I want it to be applied on. I just want it to be on the side of it. So when I'm done with that, I'll now click OK. So you can see the edges is now showing. Let me zoom it in. You can see it's showing right here. But once I'm done with this video, it's not going to show again. So I'm just showing you the steps. So I will now come to the blending mode, then I'll change it to screen. So once I change it to screen, it's only the reflection that is showing. So you can see the reflection is actually much, but I will just reduce it a bit. I'll reduce it to 30. So after reducing it to 30, I'll now come to my filter, then I'll add Gaussian blur to it. So the Gaussian blur, I'll just use ratio 6. So 6 is okay. So this is actually the result. So it didn't take much time to do this. So you can see the before and after of it. So I got to make my background really pop a lot. So, and you can see the reflection is still mad. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Just to confirm, let me show you the before and after again. So this is the before, this is how the background was, and this is the after of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please stick around for the next video because I'll be dropping a very helping tutorial up next. So just stick around, turn on your notification button to be alert. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video just right away. Thank you guys.